Welcome to Lite Stake, a free LTC earning faucet. So I shared a video about this project, and one thing I forgot to do is to share a withdrawal proof. That's what I normally do for every new platform I introduce. So let's hit the ready to claim button. That's one of the first ways to earn some Litoshis after every 1 hour. So you solve the captcha here and you click on ready to claim. So what you're getting depends on your level. I am currently on stone, and you will see the table there. So other ways to earn include surveys. You can click on complete surveys, and depending on your age, demography, and other details, you will be getting surveys, right, that are related to you, surveys that are targeted at you. So without any further ado, let's click on menu here. And of course, there are other ways to earn. There are games, gifts, and so on. But let's go to the wallet. My balance is this 0.01 LTC. So let's click on withdraw. So minimum withdrawal amount is 0.005. I've tried that once and it worked. I just didn't remember to put it on camera. So I'm on Git.io. Let's hit the deposit button. On-chain deposit. Let's enter a search for LTC. And here it is. Click on copy. So one thing that one needs to be sure of on any exchange is to check the deposit threshold, right? So make sure the amount you're sending is equal or greater than the deposit threshold on that exchange, or you might lose the token. And in this case, I think we're good to go because I'm seeing 0.4 zeros there. So you bring it over and you paste it there. So I just tap on this max here to input all my balance, and then I click on withdraw LTC, and they say your withdrawal request is being submitted. You can see I've got a new pending withdrawal, right? The status says pending, so we'll just give it a couple of minutes. All right, so my transaction status is now showing completed, right? So let's go over to my exchange account. So I'm on Git. Let's click on notifications and look at it here, system notification, and it says I've received 0.01 LTC. Right here you can see it, right? This is it, on-chain deposit. So I forgot the last time, but this right here is a proof that this platform is paying. So there you have it, guys. If you're not already on Litestake, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comments of the video and also on the Telegram page, so you can jump on the register and start earning free Litecoin. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.